Vechain, at the time of this recording, is attempting another bounce back to the upside after we continued to hold within our Fibonacci key area of support between the 0.02586 and the 0.02122. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above, and also give you the Fibonacci key areas of supports that we need to continue holding within. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, I still maintain that from the lows we made on the 7th of April, we picked impulsively in the formation of that wave 1. Then we started a corrective pullback in the formation of that second wave into the minimum target areas, an area that we fully maximized, and you can see that we got a reaction of that target area starting this bounce over here in what can easily turn out to be the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the lows we made in the formation of that second wave. And on so doing, the area that you need to pay attention to lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.04461 as our next target area. And once that target area is hit, then we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in that wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And for us to get a confirmation that the wave 3 is just getting started, we first need to see a break above the highs we made above the 0.03136, flip that back into support, continue pushing higher, break above the 0.03414, flip that back into support also, and then continue pushing even higher, fully maximizing our minimum target areas. So we need to see a break above those significant highs. Also remember that in case we don't see another push to the upside, that will be a clear indication that we can easily get another pullback in the next coming days before we can find support and then continue pushing higher. And using the 4-hour chart, here on the 4-hour chart, you can see that I have this ABC corrective structure that I have been observing from the lows we made below the 0.01821, where you can see that we picked impulsively in the formation of that wave A, saw pullback in that wave B, and then finally topped out in the formation of that wave C, in a move that gave us a high above the 0.02962. And in that ABC corrective structure, we also managed to get into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using that yellow target area between the 0.02426 and the 0.03067, an area that is now giving us a rejection to the downside. And in this pullback over here, I expect that Vechain is going to continue holding within the golden pocket on the Fibonacci's, and that area can be given by connecting the fibs from the lows we made in the formation of that wave A to the high of that wave C. And on so doing, the area that you need to pay attention to lies between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 0.02391 and the 0.02065, which is that blue target area. And I expect that in the next coming hours, we can easily see Vechain fully maximizing that target area. If by any chance we get another pullback, also losing support above the 0.025. So if we lose the 0.025, expect Vechain to fully maximize this area over here, find support, and then we should attempt another breakout to the upper side in the next coming days. So that is the roadmap that I expect Vechain to follow on the short term and also on the long term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.